Can we start now? Are you all excited? How boys are problem? Boys are problem. How boys are problem? लड़के problem है. How? It's a different माहौल. Do you agree with this? Boys don't feel comfortable with girls and girls don't feel comfortable with boys. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all doing? All are doing fine? All are doing fine? All right. So today it is a special day. Why it is a special day? Because I have got a surprise for all of you. I've got a surprise, and the surprise is we have got a debate competition in our class, in our conversation class. All right. So the topic of debate is co-education. The topic of debate is co-education. Yes. So are you all ready? Can we start now? Are you all excited? I don't see any kind of excitement on your faces. Are you excited? Loud and clear? All are excited? All right. So the first pair of this debate, I am going to invite Miss Zunaisha and Miss Anusha. Clap for both of them. Huge clap, huge cheers for both of them. Here you are, and here you go. Please. Now start with your introduction, all right, and then.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Anusha. So today I have come here for a debate, and our debate topic is co-education.
Okay, you stand against co-education. Fine, Zunaisha.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I myself Zunaisha, and today I am here to speak upon a very honorable topic, that is co-education. And I am in favor of co-education.
Okay, so you are in favor and you are against this system. All right. So are you ready to listen both of them? Okay, fine. Zunaisha will begin. Yes, Zunaisha.
So as we know, in our society we have different minded people. Some people are negative minded and some people are positive minded. Those people who are negative minded, they think that co-education is just like a normal system. If we send a child in co-education, so our child will be like disrespecting us. Our child will not be as good as it was before. So they think that co-education is not good, but I think that co-education is good. In co-education system, we can learn different things from each others. In co-education system, if we if you go to give any interview, so there will also be the boss. He or she will be a boy or a girl. You will not even know that who is he or she. So if he is a boy, so will you be saying that I am shy to give interview in front of boys? So it will be boost your confidence, and it will also level up your confidence.
It is level up your confidence. Very well said by Zunaisha. She looks confident. Now we should listen the response. Yes.
You are saying that co-education increases our confidence level. So what do you think about it? If our parents don't support the co-education system, because some girls want to become a doctor, engineer, but they are not becoming and they are not achieving our goals because of co-education system. Co-education system in university, they are not going because their parents are not allowing in university, so they are not achieving our goals. They want to become a doctor, lawyer, they are not becoming. So you are saying this is a.
Okay, let's talk about those parents who don't allow their children or they don't allow their daughters to to study in co-education system. If their daughter will not study in co-education system, so if she wants to become a doctor and she doesn't study in co-education system, so how can she talk to her patients? She will not know that who is her patient. She will not have the confidence level because she has not studied in co-education system.
No, confidence in co-education system not build confidence level. If I talk about we are studying co-education system, so we get knowledge. If we have knowledge, so confidence is automatically build your.
Okay. So knowledge is more important than co-education. Co-education system has nothing to do with knowledge. Yes, because
confidence level, because if you have a knowledge, if you have the no knowledge about the topic. So how can you explain this topic?
Okay.
What do you think? Yes, Vanessa. Knowledge is important. Co-education system is not important. She says.
If you have knowledge and if you do not have like confidence to speak, so how can you speak? You are standing here and you are also a part of co-education system, and so that's why you can see yourself, you are very confident to speak in front of boys or in front
You
of
stand
anyone.
here. You stand here because of co-education system.
You are saying I am studying because of co-education system. No, I am studying because without co-education system, if okay, I am sitting, but I have no knowledge about the topic. So how can I come for explain? But just I have confidence. So how can I explain? Though that it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And if I talk about the co-education system, so girls are not feeling comfortable with boys, and boys are not feeling comfortable with girls. Because
Do you agree? The boys don't feel comfortable with girls and
But
girls
girls
don't
are
feel
not.
comfortable with boys. Do you agree with this? Boys don't feel comfortable with girls and girls don't feel comfortable with boys. This is 2024. What do you think about it? Is it the matter of comfort level? Co-education is a matter of comfort level. Anyone would like to respond? Anyone would like to respond to this? Yes? Nobody? Yes, Emma.
I feel confident in front of girls to speak well, and I get more confidence to in front of girls if I speak.
Okay.
That's why co-education is more important than separate education.
Okay, co-education is more important than separate education system. Anyone would like to respond? Ishal, what do you say about it? Stand up. Yes. What is your point of view on co-education?
Because but co-education is more important. If you go to another school and there is not co-education, you study, but you have changed your school, and in the next school there
In the other school.
in the other school there
Or clap for Ishal. Yes, continue.
so if you have an activity, so you can't
You
give
can't perform. You can't give your best.
yes, that's why.
Okay, that's why co-education is
Yes.
important. Okay, fine. So, what is your response?
If you study in co-education system, if you don't have knowledge about any topic, so you can ask your classmate. If you study in like separate education system, you have only girls to ask, and if the it is a topic like
Does co-education create competition? My question is, does co-education create competition? Can we improve our mindset learning in co-education system? Question to both of you.
I say, if I talk about the teacher is giving the lecture, but in co-education system, we are sitting with boys and girls have an answer. Girls has an answer. She wants to ask to Miss, but she is not asking because of boys, because she feel hesitation if she
Why
thinks,
does girl feel hesitant? Why girls feel so hesitated in co-education?
because of boys, because they feel if I will ask the question to teacher, so boys will laugh and they will think we are not able to speak. In this system, we are not clearing our mindset because of boys.
All right, all right.
why do you think that I can't speak in front of boys? If you have a fear of anything, so if you overcome upon it, so then it will not be your fear. If you keep on calming down yourself that I can't speak, so how can you learn?
How will you compete with the world?
Saying I
How will
can't.
you compete with the world?
I am not saying I can't speak boys and I can't say this, but girls, this is the because boys is the problem, because boys is the problem, because
Boys are problem.
Boys
How boys are problem? Boys are problem. How boys are problem? लड़के problem है. How boys are problem?
No, sir, because
Do you also say the same thing? No. All the girls don't
No,
say boys
sir.
are problem. No. Okay, boys are
no,
problem.
sir, they will not say I am not. They will not say I have a problem, because sir.
Why do you say boys are problem? Why do you
because
say?
because if we get co-education, so we feel like this because we have an answer. We have boys will think we are able to speak and girls are not able to speak, and we sir is supporting us.
competition. It
Sir is
creates
supporting
In
us.
competition, you will have more practice, and in competition, you can learn more than separate school systems.
Yes. In your
Because if I talk about the co-education system, so their teachers are not qualified. They are just intermediate pass and just their intermediate pass, and they are not qualified. If I talk about the government school, their teacher is qualified. Their teacher are qualified, and there are so many girls, so many boys. There is a different mall. There is
There's a different
environment.
There's a different mahal, there's a different
environment.
There's a different environment. See that there's a different mahal. It's okay.
There is a different environment
Okay.
in co-education system, and government doesn't support co-education system. That's why government school is separate.
All right, fine, fine. Thank you very much. Clap for both of them.